Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Welcome back again. We are meeting. My name is Foram Devang Shah. I'm a clinical psychologist, educationist, and a yoga therapist. So today my topic is eating habits in children. So choosing this topic is very important because again many parents come to me for counseling regarding this topic that बच्चा खाता नहीं है and there are so many problems related to eating problem. So today we'll go through some of the eating habits. So we are what we eat. अभी भी हम लोग जो हैं it's because of what we eat. So eating habits from childhood basically वो कैरी इम्प्रेशन करता है through the adulthood. जो हम लोग ने बचपन से हमारी आदत रही है खाने की वही हम लोग फिर adulthood में कैरी करते हैं. So it is best कि अगर हम लोग वो इस हैबिट्स को टेंडर एज में जो बच्चों की एकदम कोमल अवस्था है तभी उनसे अगर डील करें तभी वो हेल्दी हैबिट्स डालें.
माँ को जब बच्चा घर में रहता है तब से
yes yes so evaluate eating habits of children at all age group. Okay, initial years of life are most important to develop healthy eating habits. It's on parents how they handle to develop healthy eating habits. अभी अगर if I ask किसी भी बच्चे को अगर पेरेंट्स को पूछ ले does your child recognize all the fruits, all the vegetable and all the pulses, they will say no at present. In some cases, sometimes they are not aware of simple vegetables also, like beetroot, और उनको भी they will give some another name. Even with fruits, जो fruits हम लोग ने मतलब अभी तो आप लोगों ने तो obviously खाएंगे. If I ask अभी के पेरेंट्स को के कितने ऐसे कि जो अपने फार्म में जाके तोड़ के खाए हैं,
वो तो नहीं है अभी.
जैसे बोर है, फिर वो कमरख होते हैं, करवंदे है, तो वो सब चीजें कितने लोग अभी अवेयर हैं और खा रहे हैं ये सब चीजें. They get जो whatever they get in supermarket, sometimes they take that and वो खाते हैं. They don't know what are the seasonal fruits available. कब क्या खाना चाहिए क्या नहीं. So even children are not aware. And if I ask parents कि do they also recognize all the pulses and vegetable, और तो ये लोग वो लोग भी खाते हैं क्या? If I ask question to today's parents, they will also say no. So we can't blame children for completely. So as a parent, if I ask children like what kind of a feeding problem they face when they come to me, generally these are the problems which are faced by parents. So one like eating a meal time complaint basically. तो सबसे पहले है कि picky about food selection. आज के बच्चे ये नहीं खाना है, ये खाना है, ये खाना है, ये नहीं खाना है. Second, on what they select. So texture, smooth versus crunchy. तो कभी कुछ smooth है तो उनको पसंद है, कभी कुछ ऐसे crunchy है तो पसंद है और vice versa. मतलब कभी ऐसे हुए कि कोई बच्चे हैं जिनको मलाई नहीं पसंद दूध में, then दही नहीं पसंद. फिजिकल रीजन अलग बात है, बट ड्यू टू यू नो प्रेफरेंसेस कि वो भी बन गया है प्रेफरेंस. नहीं मेरे को ऐसे स्मूथ टेक्सचर नहीं पसंद, या जिसके भी वो ऐसे कड़क आता है थोड़ा च्यू करने में वो नहीं पसंद. तो इट्स ऑन प्रेफरेंस. देन टाइप. सो कार्बोहाइड्रेट वर्सेस फ्रूट. सो समटाइम्स सम चिल्ड्रन अवॉइड फ्रूट्स कंप्लीटली. मतलब उनको पसंद ही नहीं है. मतलब पेरेंट्स कंप्लेन दे डोंट ईट फ्रूट्स एट ऑल. एंड वेजिटेबल्स में भी एक दो गिने चुने वेजिटेबल्स दे विल ईट पोटैटो और टमाटो. इतना पता है और इतना ही खाते हैं. सो दे आर वेरी चूजी एंड पिकी अबाउट कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. देन अभी के बच्चे लाइक वीट दिन होती है गेहूं की रोटी खाते हैं एवरीडे. सो मेनी अदर पल्सेस दे डोंट नो नाचनी, दे डोंट नो बाजरी. घर में अगर बनता है और वो लोग खाते हैं ट्रेडिशनली देन ओके, बट इन सम हाउस वेयर लाइक मदर्स आर नॉट प्रिपेयरिंग ऑल दिस. So it is a question mark what they know. Okay, then presentation on specific plate. उनको आज कभी ऐसे कि मेरे को यही प्लेट में खाना है. Sometimes वो बाहर जाते हैं तो it's a big problem for them because they are not getting that their own plate. या वो वैसे ही चाहिए जैसे वो टेबल अरेंजमेंट करके दिया है. So then उनके लिए फूड से ज़्यादा वो सब चीज़ें अभी महत्व रखने लगी है कि I want in square plate, I want in circle plate. Then brand. Again with small kids also they are so much choosy कि मेरे को अभी केचप लेना है बट मैगी का केचप, then Heinz का केचप और किसान का केचप. इवन मैगी भी खाना है, नूडल्स में भी, उसमें भी उनको ब्रांड सिलेक्शन. In everything, whatever food they consume, so brand in food also matters for them. then eating only junk food. There are so many cases which are like मेरे पास आए हैं, उसमें से एक था he was not eating food at all. उसको दो ही चीज़ he was eating, one was Maggi and second was Bourbon biscuit.
अच्छा. How he got this habit eating only two things?
Yeah, that's what. And when he came to me, he was in junior KG for counseling. He was in junior KG. So अभी तब से लेके junior KG तक, and whenever he was asking, mother was giving this. Otherwise he was throwing tantrums. Okay, so he developed. वो स्कूल में भी, उनके स्कूल में ऐसे है कि फूड उनको मतलब सबका टर्न रहता है. स्कूल जनरली वो ये करती है कि वो हेल्दी खाए बच्चे. इसके लिए क्या रहता है कि मदर एवरी डे अलग अलग मदर का टर्न रहता है और जो उनको लिस्ट दिया है वही लेके आने का. बट दिस फेलो विल नॉट ईट एनीथिंग. उसको मैगी चाहिए और बॉर्बन बिस्किट ही चाहिए. Others.
Have you analyzed why this child eat only two things? What is the cause?
Because initially वो उसको ज़्यादा मतलब इस चीज़ों से एक्सपोज ज़्यादा किया गया था. Okay, I don't know the reason. मतलब पहले क्या reasons रहे होंगे. He just came to me with this reason, and after taking case history also, mother is like okay, like she's okay with it कि वो खाएगा. I'm not behind him. और थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें वो खाता है, जैसे कुछ स्पेसिफिक चीज़ें पनीर से बना हो, लेकिन नॉट ऑल द वेजिटेबल. ही विल नॉट ईट ओनली, नॉट सिट फॉर ईटिंग. एंड मदर इज ऑल्सो ओके अबाउट इट कि हाँ इट्स ओके. सो एटीट्यूड एट होम, मतलब वो घर पे और मम्मी कुछ बना रही है तो कभी खाता है कभी नहीं खाता. इट्स ऑन हिज मूड. बट ज़्यादा उसका प्रेफरेंस नाउ स्लोली ही स्टार्टेड ईटिंग थोड़ा थोड़ा, बट ऐसे नहीं कि सब चीज़ें खाना. But this started with only Bourbon biscuit and Maggi biscuit. कभी भी भूख लगती थी वो बोलता था मम्मी को मेरे को मैगी खानी है, और मम्मी उसको मैगी बना के भी देती थी.
It is parents' fault.
Yes. So eating only junk food. अभी के बच्चों को you tell like रोटी सब्जी, you give them option, they will always choose junk food. And we provide them with this. We don't.
The children are learning from the parents.
Yes.
Parents.
Then now so many things. Friends. Now media. There are so many nowadays. Okay, so want same food for every meal. As I told कि उनको वही चीज़ चाहिए. एक बार वो खाते हैं तो पनीर वाला सब्जी, अब उनको कुछ भी दूसरा तो नहीं, but if that सब्जी has पनीर तो वो लोग खाएंगे. So that same thing they want. Then eating very slow. कोई बच्चे का कंप्लेन रहता है कि वो 1 घंटा लगाते हैं खाना खाने में. मदर्स आर फेड अप के वो खाता ही नहीं है, मेरे को 1-2 घंटे उसके खाने के पीछे. We all finish, but वो खाते ही रहता है. Okay, so this is one more complaint. Then eating too fast, फटाफट खा के खत्म करके भाग जाता है. Then too messy, बहुत गंदा करता है. Okay, then spill food and liquid from mouth, मतलब मुंह में डालता है और मुंह में से निकालता है, ऐसे वो गंदगी करता है सब. Then trouble eating with his or her hand, बड़ा हो गया तो भी अपने हाथ से नहीं खा रहा है. Mother is still feeding the child. कभी स्पून पकड़ने में डिफिकल्टी है, खुद के हाथ से भी नहीं खाना. ऐसे नहीं कि नहीं खा सकता, बट नहीं खाना है. ओके, सो दीज आर द कंप्लेंट व्हिच इज, हम लोग को लगता है सम फील्स इट्स ओके, सम फील दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर देम. सो दीज आर द कंप्लेंट. एंड जनरली कंप्लेंट्स होती है टॉडलर्स को और प्री स्कूल एज में, व्हिच इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ देयर एज. So state of children's health. If we see 1 in 3 children are obese and overweight by their 5th birthday. Okay. Children do not meet minimum suggestion of daily fruits and vegetable. Fruits and vegetable for them is a big question. ज़्यादा वो लोग consume क्या करते हैं? is a fat, sugar and salt in diet. To healthy, basically हम लोग को ये सब जानने के लिए we have to see the food pattern of Indians and how their preferences are formed. मतलब ये आप पूछ रहे हैं कि कैसे ये प्रेफरेंस बन गया उनका. तो वी विल सी हाउ व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व. सो ओबेसिटी नाउअडेज इज इक्विवेलेंट टू malnutrition. और इसकी इफेक्ट क्या है? इफेक्ट्स ऑफ पुअर डाइट इन अर्ली चाइल्डहुड. अगर शॉर्ट टर्म इफेक्ट देखें तो इन सब चीज़ों से दांत का खराबा. अभी बहुत से इफ यू गो टू डेंटिस्ट, उनके ज़्यादातर पेशेंट बच्चे हैं अभी के, rather than old age people. So tooth decay, lack of energy. Then overweight is the biggest problem. Mood swings. आजकल बच्चों को मूड क्या है, हम लोग I don't remember, मेरे को पता था मैं छोटी थी कि मूड क्या है.
कुछ ही नहीं हमारे साथ.
Yes.
मतलब parents will not tolerate at all.
Yeah. And now मेरा मूड नहीं है, मेरा मूड नहीं है is very common. Okay. Then long term, पॉसिबल डेवलपमेंटल डिलेस, देयर आर सो मेनी लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट जो उनके डेवलपमेंटल जो होना चाहिए प्रॉपर ग्रोथ वो नहीं होता. Then second is cognitive deficit, some memory problem. आज के बच्चे as I told you सब hyper active, मतलब they are not very extreme but still एक जगह पे बैठना, शांत रहना, they are very active. उनको कुछ ना कुछ stimulation चाहिए. So this is because of food also, which is playing major role in their life. Okay, apart from other things, food is very important. Then memory, attention. अभी बहुत सबसे main problem वो ध्यान नहीं देता, attention नहीं है और बहुत ओवर हाइपर एक्टिव है या बहुत डल है. सो अगेन फूड इज प्लेइंग रोल. देन डाइट रिलेटेड टू कंडीशंस इन एडोलसेंट एंड एडल्टहुड, हाइपरटेंशन एंड डायबिटीज. वो देखा गया है कि टू मच सॉल्ट इफ यूज्ड इन चाइल्डहुड 15 साल तक उनको हाइपरटेंशन या हाई ब्लड प्रेशर की बीमारी हो सकती है. दिस फाउंड इन द रिसर्च. एंड डायबिटीज, दोज हु आर ड्रिंकिंग मोर ऑफ शुगरी ड्रिंक. अभी एक कोक पीते हैं उसमें कितनी शुगर होती है. If they know, मतलब they are not aware.
And the worst thing because of this combo.
Yes.
You get this thing, उसके साथ में और cold drink मिलेगा ही.
Yes. और उसके साथ that is a fried food.
Right.
And ऊपर से fatty food है. उसके साथ again sugar. So much bad combination.
Compulsory they drink that.
और वो गरम के साथ ठंडा खाते हैं. They don't know what is opposite आहार also nowadays.
Discounting with that, discount for children in school.
Yes.
वही.
So because of this commercialization, so many things are happening with children. So again, diabetes at very early age diagnosed in children. So what are the guiding questions here? Are preferences innate or learned? Okay, they are innate or वो सीखते हैं. What tastes are developed first? Then second, what role does food neophobia play? I'll explain you what is further. What factors shape taste preferences? Okay, by what age are most taste preferences are formed? And what role do parents and caregivers have? So we'll see. So nature or nurture, ये common debate हर चीज में होती ही है. Like if we take nature, then physical development, genetic predisposition are there. And if we take nurture, exposure to food, exposure to environment, then peer and adult modeling, then culture, marketing and environment. This is the big thing which is playing role, nature also and nurture also. See, generally किसी बच्चे में अगर if they form any eating disorder, they have some predisposition of nature biologically, but then environment also plays a role which obviously उनके ऊपर और वो करके then they finally form a particular eating disorder. So taste development in infancy. Infants have an innate preference for sweet. Okay, it was shown in 2009 research. Infants are neutral in response to salt. However, some preferences shown by age of 4. 4 साल के तक उनका salt का preference बढ़ जाता है, but they are born with sweet preference. Okay. Then children show preference to sugar and salty food. They are exposed to over time. अभी बच्चों का generally आप चीजें देखें जो वो खाते भी हैं बाहर की चीजें या जो अभी अवेलेबल है उसमें ज़्यादातर शुगर और सॉल्ट ज़्यादा रहता है. What they मतलब उनको जो जिद करते हैं जो चीज़ लेने के लिए, and generally they crave for sweet, मतलब उनको innate वो रहता है ये sweet का preference. But nowadays with more and more exposure over the time, वो फिर उनका preference हो जाता है.
I think when the child is born, you know, when the child starts drinking milk,
Yes.
milk is not sweet, contains no sugar.
Yeah.
Jab after 6 months when they are giving milk, you know, the parent mother puts sugar in that milk and give in the spoon, and that habit is formed, you know. See.
Yeah, that is also there, and one of the research shows about breastfeeding also, because mothers are consuming everything.
Yeah.
So through that also they are getting this
Converting,
preference.
yeah.
Yes, this will be one. See, mother's diet. This is one of the study, the carrot study. In this, infant exposure to carrots in the fluid or a breast milk enjoyed carrot flavor more than infant not exposed to it. Okay, so this was a study where mother's preference towards particular thing also, मतलब जो exposed हुए थे to carrot in breast milk, उन लोग ने carrot ज़्यादा पसंद किया in later और जो नहीं exposed हुए थे. So basically to conclude, we can say that prenatal, as you said, कि जब भी वो घर में रहता है, that period is also important. What mothers are preferring. Okay, so prenatal and early postnatal exposure to particular food is very important and enjoyment of that flavor during weaning. Basically वो अगर वो तभी वो preference बन गया then it will also continue in adulthood. There are chances. Early flavor experience. Early flavor experience basically culture से भी develop होते हैं. You are in which culture also plays a role. And also ethnic इसकी वजह से हमको पता चलता है there are so many ethnic differences in cuisine. मतलब particular community, particular culture will eat this because of this कि वो early exposed उनसे ही हुए वो particular चीज से. Even their parental diet is that only. So this is showing us why particular flavor appeals more to us than other. क्योंकि वो culture और ethnic differences में भी है. Then food neophobia. What is neophobia? It is basically natural reluctance. हम लोग as a human species हम लोग हर चीज जो आती है वो तुरंत accept नहीं करते हैं. Okay, so there is natural reluctance in human to consume new or unusual food. This is called neophobia. First 2 years relatively weak food neophobia. Basically first 2 years में आप जो
सामने हो
खा लेंगे. मतलब they will be not कि हाँ ये नहीं खाना है वो नहीं खाना. First 2 years is because mother's choice it is कि वो क्या दे रहे हैं क्या नहीं.
And I think that only developed the taste.
Yes, yes. So that's why this is very crucial period of time. Then toddlers' discovery of their own power. See, what makes them picky eaters? Basically, then जब भी उनके हाथ में आता है to show that empowerment कि I have that power to eat or not to eat will make them more picky eater. Picky eater मतलब वो selective eating करते हैं. Okay? So picky eating toddler become picky eating adults also. जो बच्चे then they carry forward. So children's food neophobia resembles their parents. Again parents role is very big in this. जो भी उनमें neophobias भी होते हैं ये चीज नहीं खानी आप पेरेंट्स को पूछोगे तो पता चलेगा वो भी ये नहीं खा रहे. Then food preferences are learned through first exposure frequency कितना उनको दे रहे हैं वो. And third is experience with food. सिर्फ देखे नहीं अगर वो खा रहे हैं and what is the experience with food will also matter in food preference. Okay? So by age of 3 most children can rank order their preferences. अगर 3 साल के बच्चों के आप पूछो कि आपका preference बताओ आपको क्या ज़्यादा पसंद है so they'll be able to prefer. New foods more easily accepted before 4-year-old. अगर 4 साल के बाद आप उनको नया फूड बोलो और बोलो कि ये एक्सेप्ट कर लो they will not accept easily. 4 साल तक उनके प्रेफरेंसेस डेवलप हो चुके होते हैं. सो स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट प्रेडिक्टर ऑफ व्हाट फूड लाइक एंड इटिंग 8 ईयर के बच्चों को आप पूछे कि आपका जो प्रेफरेंस है वो उनको 4 साल में डेवलप हो गया होगा और वो 8 में एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाता है. सो अगर आपको प्रिडिक्ट करना है कि 8 साल के बच्चे को ये पसंद है तो अगर वो 4 साल जब भी वो था 4 साल का तभी से उसको वो पसंद है धीरे धीरे करके वो 8 साल में फॉर्म हो गया है चॉइस. Food preferences become food habits. So what is a big role of parent is modeling. Parent role is central. Children model eating. Basically parents जो खाते हैं जैसे खाते हैं children सबसे पहले उनके लिए role model है parents. They will observe them and then they will prefer. अगर parents ही पहले वो देख के ऐसे मुंह बना रहे हैं तो children will think कि नहीं this is not for us. Food intake patterns of parents and their children are similar. Generally आप देखने जाओगे तो either mother या father में कुछ तो ऐसे होगा जो बच्चों में हुआ है कि father particular नहीं खा रहा है तो बच्चे में आया होगा या mother particular चीज नहीं खा रही है it will come. Children tend to sample unfamiliar food when they see an adult eating it then when merely offered. वो लोग ज़्यादातर prefer करते हैं अगर वो parents खाते हैं तो they will prefer more. So child care is basically a primary issue and with age जो adult का modeling है then it turns to peer modeling. मतलब पहले वो parents को देख के model follow करते हैं धीरे धीरे with age then they follow their friends कि friends क्या खा रहे हैं. जनरली बहुत ऐसे होता है वाइस वर्सा कि टिफिन बॉक्स में अगर कोई घर से कुछ लाता है घर पे वो चीज वो नहीं खाते होंगे बट जस्ट बिकॉज फ्रेंड्स आर ईटिंग और उनका कभी उनको ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है कंपेयर टू वो जो घर पे बनता है. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेन थिंग कि पीयर मॉडलिंग अभी बहुत बहुत ही क्रूशियल है. जैसे पीयर प्रेशर बहुत जगह पे है वैसे पीयर मॉडलिंग वो फ्रेंड्स को देख के खा रहे हैं.
आजकल के बच्चे एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी देखते हैं ना सब लोग मिल के खाते हैं.
Yes.
That preferences.
So So generally children are getting mixed messages about foods as a reward. Many mothers use food as a reward. ये खा तो ये मिलेगा, ये कर तो ये मिलेगा. पहले ये वेजीज खत्म कर, फिर आपको डेजर्ट मिलेगा, फिर आपको आइसक्रीम खिलाएंगे. So food is used as a reward.
It's wrong, no?
It's wrong.
Yes, it's wrong. So they are getting so many multiple messages. उनको भी अभी नहीं पता चल रहा है बच्चों को कि actually what to do. This is parents' mistake. What they are doing. They should not do this. Then finish your veggies. उनको मतलब ऐसे लगता है कि this is very important thing. अगर मतलब see if we see हम उनको बोले कि आप vegetable finish करो, then you will get the dessert. So they will think dessert is more important than veggies. You are not giving के अब ये कर लो, मतलब why to compare कि ये करो वो, but they tell you finish your veggies so you will get this and eat this while I eat this. आप ये finish कर लो, मैं ये खत्म करती हूँ. So this is differences which children are getting. So this leads to basically binge eating as adults, then creates a negative association through adulthood. जो ये vegetable का है, then वो negative association build होता है कि नहीं veggies वो पहले से ही नहीं पसंद है, क्योंकि उनको वो negativity से connect कर दिया है vegetable को, तो वो carry forward होता है. Then in adulthood also they will not like vegetable, क्योंकि पहले से उनका experience with vegetable is not that good. Okay. So most children start on diet rich in fruits and vegetables but decrease with age. मतलब वो starting में सब खाते हैं बच्चे, फिर धीरे धीरे ये कम होता चला जाता है. And obviously if we talk about media, there are 4,600 advertisement catering to children every year. Okay, then $2 billion is spent every year for just children's advertisement. And 80% of commercial during the cartoons sell basically, and they also put cute cartoons to sell their product, which children find it very cute and acceptable. And ज़्यादातर उसमें रहता है fast food and sweet.
Yes.
So increased TV viewing equates with an increased intake of salt and sugar food. So वो बच्चे again first is it start with parents, then it goes to friends, and now a big thing nowadays is a media. Okay, TV, mobile, now everywhere. अभी उनको going in restaurant and having dinners for birthday parties also they feel कि हर time कुछ अलग होना चाहिए, अलग जगह पे होना चाहिए. So again, and in this मतलब वो McDonald's में वो cartoon मिलेगा, then they something or other they will get attached to some cartoons, उसके लिए they will go. So these companies are attracting this kind of a children with this kind of a food. Okay, so who does what? Reasonable expectation, coping with, will see this forward, coping with picky eaters, other challenges at mealtime behavior, and phrases that help and phrases that hinder, and creating pleasant mealtime environment. So why do children have problem with eating and mealtime at this particular age? Because amount of food children eat changes so much over this 3 years. मतलब 1 साल से 3 साल तक देखें हम लोग तो उनको जो फूड चेंज हो रहे हैं वो बहुत वेरी करते हैं. Children are unpredictable eater, but what are your expectation as parent? You have to see first. So if you see 1-year-old child, appetite varies from day to day, drinks from the cup with assistance, and eats with finger and utensils and very messy. Okay, so 1 साल का बच्चा इतना कर सकता है. Then if you see 2-year-old, then can use spoon also and drink from cup. Okay, then can easily be distracted. 2-year-old. Then growth slows and appetite drops. 2 साल के बच्चों को इतनी भूख नहीं लगती. Okay, so their appetite drops and develop likes and dislike. अभी 2 साल में उनके likes और dislike develop हो जाते हैं. And can be very messy and suddenly refuse to eat food. वो खाने के लिए मना कर देते हैं. 3-year-old if we say, they are simple, either they make their food choices in this age, pour liquids without spilling, with some spilling, then are comfortable using fork and spoon, can follow simple request, start to request favorite food. अभी ये साल के बच्चे बोलते हैं कि मम्मी मेरे को ये पसंद है आप ये बनाओ, and may suddenly refuse certain food. So you can see the variation from 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, हर एक साल में बदल रहा है. So this is very rapid in this age. And 4-year-old, if you see, they are highly influenced by TV, media and fear. May dislike many mixed dishes. बहुत mix करके उनको दिया, they will not like it. Rarely spills with spoons or cup. Knows that what table manners are expected from them and can be easily sidetracked. 5-year-old, if you see, they have now fewer demands. Will usually accept food what is available and then eat with minor supervision. तो वो 4 साल में आपने देखा कि कैसे वो preferences बन गए. Till 5 now they are okay with whatever they are getting. मतलब उनके preferences हैं. So how the picky eaters are born or they are made? Picky eaters, we'll see. So twin study researchers reported that 78% of neophobia, basically that aversion to new food, may be genetic, and while 22% it is environmental. As I told you, they are predisposed somehow, or and then environment plays a role, और उनको वो picky eaters बना देती है. Then again we'll revise. Some studies have shown that mothers' food choices during pregnancy may increase a child's taste preference. Then also mother's milk, breastfeed babies, if we try to new food because they have experienced a variety of flavors. So how to cope with this picky eaters? So see, if we take a plate, how does my plate fit? So it has fruits, vegetables, grains, protein and a dairy product. So if we take children plate, how to cope with this? So basically अगर बच्चों के लिए हम लोग smaller plate if we'll take, then small bowl, small utensil as a child's age, and do not insist children कि आप ये पूरा करो, ये खत्म करो. Okay, let them see first. सबसे बड़ा है कि वो आजकल mothers are running behind children कि खाता नहीं, 1-2 घंटे वो सिर्फ प्लेट लेके उनके पीछे भागते रहते हैं. But first see, are they hungry? वो उनको कुछ नहीं, अभी ये टाइम हुआ है खाने का मतलब खाना है, अभी कहीं बाहर जाना है, ये टाइम है मतलब खाना है. They are not, मतलब बच्चों को भी वो लोग नहीं सिखा रहे हैं कि see towards your body, like they are not aware towards their physical need कि मेरे को खाना भी है कि नहीं. Yes, this is your time to eat and you have to eat. Okay, and importance of water. So बच्चों को सबसे ज़्यादा also you have to teach what is importance of water, not only all the sweet juices but also of water. So what do you can do to develop healthy habits? So be a role model. As we saw earlier, they are modeling. So parents need to be a role model for eating fruits and vegetables. इसलिए मैंने पहले पूछा कि parents को कितने पता है ये सब vegetables और fruits. Are they eating? First they should eat, then they should force their children to eat. And less sugar drinks. Increase early exposure to variety of fruits and vegetables. सिर्फ उनको पिक्चर में नहीं दिखाना है. So in preschools also, if they learn actually exposure, real exposure to fruits and vegetables, it is very great. Obviously घर पे तो mothers, I don't know how many they will do, but वो बच्चे teachers का at least सुनते हैं preschool age. So instead of showing picture, actually उनको दिखा के they make them taste, which is again a better solution because children generally go to preschool. Then garden cook and eat together. अगर बच्चों को वो चीज़ आप plant कराएं, planting में उनको वो चीज़ डलवाएं, then वो मतलब if they are doing the whole process, वो लोग carrot डाल रहे हैं, मतलब कुछ भी any vegetable or fruit, if they are putting seed डाल रहे हैं, उसका पेड़ हो रहा है और उसमें से वो pick कर रहे हैं, then it will be more easier for them to accept that thing कि हम लोग ने किया है. Okay, so involve them in gardening, cooking and eat together. And look for non-food rewards. As I told you कि food को reward जैसे use कर रहे हैं. So instead of that दूसरा कुछ reward कि we'll see movie together or we'll go out. So ऐसा कुछ करें. Then create a basically वो family और वो school choose करनी चाहिए वो जो unhealthy जो चीज़ें हैं उसको ban कर रही है. So in choosing school also it's very important कि आप कौन सी school choose कर रहे हो. What their preferences. Okay. And teach kids to eat only when they are hungry is a big thing. You have to teach them about food, one thing at early age, and about their hunger pangs. कि उनको पता होना चाहिए कि प्यास क्या है और भूख क्या है. बस ऐसे ही टाइम हो रहा है, फीड कर रहे हैं. और अभी के तो सबसे बेस्ट, मेरा बच्चा खा नहीं है, कार्टून के सामने बिठा देते हैं प्लेट लेकर. अदरवाइज दैट फेलो इज नॉट ईटिंग. उनको कार्टून के सामने बिठा दे, वो वहाँ देख रहे, मदर इज फीडिंग, वो क्या खा रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट अवेयर. क्या खा रहे हैं, कितना खा रहे हैं. Yes. So they are वो food का touch ही नहीं रहा कि what they are eating. It's just going in. सामने ही देख रहे हो, उसमें ही है. So this is wrong basically. Like parents बोले इस बहाने वो खाता तो है, but they are not understanding कि early age में if they are putting this, then later they'll have trouble in eating disorder, like eating problem. So offer a variety of food and let children choose of how much they want to eat. Okay, so हम लोग ने अगर starting से उनको variety of food if they are exposed to, but इसमें ये भी है कि if mothers are working, they are not able to make so many food at home. But this is also important कि mothers responsibility to expose कराए वो बच्चों को at period of time भले कैसे भी, but वो food उनको exposed होना चाहिए. Then try to make meals a stress free time. कभी बच्चे के लिए खाना मतलब इट इज अ बिग थिंग फॉर देम, वो जल्दी खत्म करके उनको भागना रहता है, नहीं तो ये खाना मतलब इज अ टेरिबल टाइम फॉर देम.
बच्चे को ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए बस आ रही
यस, और नहीं तो जो भी उनको मदर को चिल्लाना होता है वो ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम पे या मील टाइम पे वो चिल्ला लेते हैं, तूने ये किया कि नहीं, वो किया कि नहीं, तो वो बच्चा बोलता है ये खाने का टाइम बहुत डेंजरस होता है, मैं कभी मम्मी के सामने रहता हूँ और वो मेरे को सो दे कनेक्ट दिस विद फूड. सो फॉर देम नाउ फूड इज नाउ बैड, मतलब अभी मेरे को फटाफट खाना है. सो मदर्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो जो खाने का टाइम है दे शुड नॉट टॉक ऑल दिस थिंग, और द मदर शुड नॉट गेट एंग्री, उनको स्ट्रेस फ्री रखना है एंड सेट अ गुड एग्जाम्पल. Then make food fun. Generally with kids, when I was teaching in preschool, so there I had made this rule that सबको every day they have to get one day fruit, one day salad. Okay, so like and obviously everything was there in salad. So I was observing few days that only children were eating, few were eating only cucumber, few were eating only carrots, few were eating only tomato. फिर उसमें बीटरूट रह जाता था.
बीटरूट तो बहुत कम खाते.
Yes. So रह जाता था and that time I was also not eating. So हम लोग नहीं खाते, बच्चों को बोले कैसे खाने का, so first I started eating. Then obviously उनको खाने के लिए you have to use trick initially. कि पहले वो खाने के तैयार तो हो, नहीं तो they will say no I don't want to eat. I told them but they were not touching it. Then मैंने एक मस्त मेथड अप्लाई की, मैंने उनको बोला ये बीटरूट खाते हैं, your lips will be red and now your tongue will be red. Let's see who want to make their tongue red. And they all want कि ना मेरे को करना है. एक का हुआ तो फिर दूसरों को देखते नहीं, I want to do my tongue red, I want to make my lip red. और उस after that this was continuing and ऐसे होता था कि बीटरूट सबसे पहले खत्म होता था and then they were choosing another thing.
You should be innovative.
Yes. So this way make food also fun. मतलब you can make some arrangement कि उनको थोड़ा ऐसे इंटरेस्ट आए वो चीज खाने में. Presentation is also important.
So they can use their full senses also.
Yes. Yes. So here is a cute food art which sometimes see mothers से कि वो रोटी नहीं खाता है, उनको सर्कल करके दो, स्क्वायर करके दो, ट्रायंगल करके दो, but mothers बस नहीं खाता है करके छोड़ देते. They don't apply any innovation. Then mealtime tips. You can also make some game out of food. So they can like broccoli trees. Then cut food in a fun shape. Stars ने cut किए हैं जैसे यहाँ पे. And also something you can add जो उनका favorite food है, उसमें something you can add जो उनको नहीं पता है. For example, some people they will not eat दूधी नहीं खाते हैं, bottle gourd नहीं खाते हैं, कोई भी vegetable नहीं खाते हैं, but they love pav bhaji. So mothers can add something in pav bhaji and give them. Some they will not drink soup, but उनका अगर कोई favorite they love to drink corn soup या ऐसा कोई manchaw soup. So put something in that. They will not come to know.
At that time they will take care.
Yes, but at least वो धीरे धीरे उनसे introduce होगा with their liking. So then they can connect कि हाँ ये भी मेरे को पसंद है. I was eating already. So help children enjoy fruits and vegetables. Then offer a dip with vegetable. Nowadays children are very like dip is very popular. उनको chips के साथ, wafer के साथ वो dip देते हैं. So dip also make less fatty and also offer vegetables with dip. So at least they start learning. क्योंकि dip उनको पसंद है पहले से. So instead of wafers and chips, you give them some vegetables to dip it and have. So at least they will start eating vegetables. Then kids like to try food. They help me. See, I take a lot of cooking with children basically to remove like basically it is part of creativity and it will revolve around so many things nowadays because as I told you food I believe in a lot of preventive than promotive. So with children I take a lot of healthy cooking classes where I teach them बहुत अभी ऐसे लास्ट एक्सपीरियंस इफ आई टेल यू, आई जस्ट टोल्ड वी मेड घी खाखरा.
अच्छा.
ओके.
Okay.
सो अब एक लड़की का ऐसे हुआ, शी इज 4 year old. पहले शी वॉज नॉट ईटिंग, मतलब ऐसे था उसका, लेकिन उसके बाद उसकी मदर इज सेइंग नाउ एवरी मील शी वांट दिस घी खाखरा. बट एटलीस्ट शी स्टार्टेड ईटिंग दैट हेल्दी. I just told them that when mother is not at your home, instead of eating all junk or some chips, we can learn to make something healthy which you can also pick and make. घी लगाना है, so in cooking we do that. कि सिर्फ उन्होंने लिया, उसके ऊपर घी लगाया, चाट मसाला लगाया. If mother is cutting cucumber tomato, they can put that cucumber tomato and eat like sandwich. So this kind of a healthy thing we eat. So children, basically those who are not eating also will love to eat because they are making themselves. उनको वो बहुत रहता है कि मैंने बनाया और मैं मेरे मम्मी पापा को भी चखाऊंगा. So with this also they can learn to make few things. A child that helps in kitchen, they love to basically all, even boys. Those children who are coming to me for classes are also boys. They love to cook. कुछ भी बनाने के लिए. And we just made one biscuit cake. So वो लोग ने बोला कि अभी हम लोग के बर्थडे में या मम्मी पापा के एनिवर्सरी will make that cake. They are very small, but that attitude is developed of healthy eating. So basically, if you tell them to serve also, they will gain confidence and power that okay, this is also acceptable. So and they will feel proud. Learns early math and science concept. With cooking, this is also happening that they are learning measurement, they are learning everything. For 3-year-old, cooking is what, just एक bottle में से दूसरे में properly if they pour also is a big thing. It involves fine motor development for them. So with cooking, you can include so many other things. You can make it as a fun, जिसकी वजह से then they will start eating particular thing. Develop small muscle skill, as I told you. सिर्फ यहाँ से इसमें spoon में से निकाल के डालना है. For them is a big thing. So if you tell them to do this, even kneading the dough, वो लोग ऐसे भी क्ले से तो खेलते हैं छोटे बच्चे. If you tell them like mother को help करने के लिए सिर्फ आटा गूंदना है, so they'll be happy to do and mother का काम भी हो जाएगा and they will readily eat that thing. या उनको रोल करने देंगे आप रोटी. Let them make whatever they are making, but at least they will be eating that thing whatever they are making. Learns new vocabulary. Obviously cooking के साथ उनकी नई उनका शब्दकोश भी नया उनके पास सीखने मिल रहा है. Learns responsibility with cleanup. ऐसे नहीं कि बस काम करके छोड़ दिया. They understand what is the back, उसके बाद का वर्क क्या है. So cleanup responsibility they have. And now we see mealtime can be challenging. How? So aggressive behavior, as I told you, while eating, if some aggression is thrown on children or some transition of meal, मतलब किसी का किस पे निकाल रहे हैं या you are just questioning या उन पे चिल्ला रहे हैं, खत्म करो, ये करके ही उठना है, ये ऐसे ही करना है. So then this is very difficult for them. Then help them to know when they have had enough. अगर कभी उनने खा लिया तो उनको पूछना है कि आपको कितनी ज़रूरत है. So let them learn by serving themselves. उनको बोलो कि आपको जितना ज़रूरत है आप सर्व करो अपने आप. Then avoid praising a clean plate. ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर टाइम क्लीन ही होनी चाहिए. उसको प्रेज नहीं करना है, but at least motivate them कि जितना हो सके you have to keep it clean. Then reward children with attention and kind words, not food. If they are doing something, pay attention to it and give some kind words and try not to restrict specific food. Even mothers are also very brand conscious, very like food conscious कि उनको यही खाना है, यहाँ पे खाना है, यहाँ नहीं खाना है. So then it will come to children. Then what is the best way to handle sweets and treats? Because now children love sweets. So what should I say? Instead of eat that for me, or if you don't eat one more bite, I will be sad. You can also say this is mango, it's sweet like strawberry, and this is celery, is very crunchy. So instead of कि ये खाओ ही, you can say in another way how you should.
Specialities.
Yes. Then instead of you are such a big boy, you finish all your broccoli, or look at Maria, she ate all her this thing. Then you have to take 2 more bites before you leave the table. You have to ask, is your stomach telling you that you are full? Or has your tummy had enough? You can ask that way instead of forcing on them. And no dessert until you eat your vegetable, as I told you. This is very famous. And stop crying, I will give you some candy.
ये तो common है.
Yes. This is special food reward.
लालच.
Yes. So instead of we can say that we can try this vegetable again another time. or I'm sorry you are sad, come here and let me give you a hug instead of a candy. So basically, to make a meal time, you have to create that atmosphere so they become very healthy eater. So what makes a great meal? So main is eliminate the distraction. First, nowadays it is so common. इनफैक्ट मतलब ज़्यादातर बच्चों के साथ मैं बात करती हूँ, पता चलता है कि बच्चे बोलते हैं कि पापा भी देखते हैं टीवी, उसमें क्या पड़ेगा?
पूरी फैमिली
they sit in front of TV and they eat. So first thing one should do, मतलब सबसे पहले वो मेरे पास आते हैं for this problem I tell them off the TV and eat. तो पता चलेगा क्या खा रहे हो, कितना खा रहे हो, उसमें क्या टेस्ट है. There is no connection with food. People are just eating for sake of eating. टाइम हो गया खाओ एक
वो भी एनर्जी है ना, वो एनर्जी अगर उसके अटेंशन है तो अच्छी
सब होगी. एंड यू शुड पहले तो पूरा वो क्या खा रहे हैं उसका पूरा ध्यान होता था. अभी तो there is nothing. Then show excitement and enthusiasm in food. When they are eating, आप भी ऐसे मुंह बना के खा रहे हो कैसे बनाए, but show that enthusiasm. Oh wow, it's made nice. Then stress age appropriate table manners. Use child size eating. कभी उनको ऐसे we force them कि fork से खाओ ये करो, पर इतने बड़े चीजों से वो नहीं खा पाते. So make child size. Then dine family style if possible. जितना हो सके सब साथ में बैठ के खाएंगे, it is better. And instead of दूसरों को किसी को कुछ ब्लेम करने से अच्छा अगर आप अच्छी बातें करो, अच्छी चीजें शेयर करो while eating, और नहीं बोले तो बेस्ट. So teach how to polite decline food. अगर नहीं खाना है तो वो बच्चों को सिखाने के कैसे ना बोलना, ऐसे नहीं कि प्लेट
वो ऐसे कर देते सीधा,
या कुछ मुंह में से निकाल लिया, मुंह बनाया, ऐसे नहीं. So now we are going towards some psychological extreme, which is feeding and eating disorder. Okay, these are the common complaints which can lead to eating disorder in future. So as we say, there are so many. These are the eating disorder: pica, rumination disorder, avoidant or restrictive food intake, anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, and binge eating disorder. These are the extreme psychiatric disorder. So many children are nowadays diagnosed with this again. So if we talk about what are the feeding and eating disorder, they are characterized by a person's persistent disturbance. ऐसे नहीं कि एक दिन हुआ, 2 दिन हुआ, नहीं. Persistent disturbance of eating and eating related behavior that results in psychological impairment and it results in altered consumption of food. कुछ तो change आ रहा है food में, and it is affecting their physical health and mental health. Then it becomes eating disorder. Okay, so it is very important for parent to see the symptom, and so for this awareness I am putting this here. What is pica? Basically it is persistent eating of non-nutritive food. वो पहले बच्चों का जैसे चॉक खाते थे, पेन खाते या और कुछ,
मतलब विटामिन डिफिशियंसी अगर है
yes, or which is non-food substance. If they are eating for at least 1 month of period, then this disorder is characterized. The eating of non-nutritive, non-food substances inappropriate to the development level of that individual. ऐसे नहीं बच्चे चंगड़ी खाते, अगर थोड़े बड़े हो गए still they are eating, means something wrong. Then this behavior is not basically any if it is connected with autism और किसी के साथ है, so you have to see basically it is in the context of mental disorder or any other thing. Then its term is non-food included because the diagnosis of pica does not apply to. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम लोग basically it should be non-nutritive pica. Okay. Then onset of pica can occur in childhood. That's why I am paying more attention to this because it can occur in childhood and adolescence. So parents need to be more aware of what children are eating. कभी वो लोग छुप के खा रहे हैं, but parents should be aware कि क्या खा रहे हैं. Okay. Then the eating of non-nutritive, non-food substances may also manifest in pregnancy. Okay, especially वो लोग को ज़्यादा they are eating chalk or ice. Okay, it can might occur. Then rumination disorder, वो मुंह में खाते हैं वापस मुंह में लाते हैं और उसको chew करते रहते हैं. It is rumination disorder. Repeated regurgitation of food over a period of at least 1 month. Again 1 महीने तक ये होना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं कि आज है कल नहीं है. And वो मुंह में लाके वापस chew करते हैं, वापस गर्ल करते हैं, वापस chew करते हैं. So it is rumination disorder. And again this disorder it is not attributed to any physical problem, नहीं होना चाहिए. It is psychological. अगर physical कुछ भी yes, अगर उनको gastrointestinal tract में कुछ है ऐसा कुछ है, then it is not rumination disorder. Then avoidant or restrictive food intake. उनको इतना ही खाना है, okay?
What is the reason for that? निकल के
This
just
reason has psychological reasons. Some are biological, some are chemical imbalance in the brain. Okay, so many things. Like it varies from person to person. उनका atmosphere, what are the reasons are different with person. Okay, so based on this is basically they are concerned about feeding disturbance. So significant weight loss is one thing. In this, significant nutrition deficiency is there. Then marked interference with psychological functioning. The disturbance is not better explained by lack of available food. ऐसा नहीं है कि food available नहीं है, but still they starve. They avoid food. Then anorexia nervosa, which is very common nowadays. आजकल छोटे बच्चों को भी they want to become like particular model कि मेरे को इसके जैसा figure चाहिए. बच्चों में भी ये चीज़ अभी बहुत चलती आ रही है. Now teenagers especially वो बहुत starve करते हैं. They go on diet. They are so thin, but they think मेरा weight ना बढ़ जाए. So this is anorexia nervosa, where restriction of energy intake. वो बहुत कम खाते हैं ये डर से कि मैं मोटी हो रही हूँ और मोटी हो जाऊँ. दो ऐसा कुछ है भी नहीं, उनका वेट उल्टा जितना होना चाहिए उससे भी कम है.
Underweight.
Yes, they are underweight, but still they have fear कि I will be overweight. And they वो उनको food को restrict करते हैं. They take very little food in little amount. So they have intense fear of gaining weight. So it is again a fear which you can say a phobic towards food कि उनको intense fear है कि मैं मोटी हो जाऊँ. This is again psychological. So weight gain का होता है even though at low weight as I told you. इसमें सब टाइप है. In anorexia some are binge eating. बहुत खाते हैं और फिर vomit करते हैं कि मैं पतली हो रही हूँ इसके लिए. So it is anorexia nervosa. And bulimia is also same. Bulimia is binge eating. बहुत खाते हैं. मतलब while eating they can't control. और खाते हैं then they feel guilty कि मैंने बहुत खा लिया और फिर either they use laxatives or they use any method to remove that food out. और they go for excessive diet पे चले जाते हैं कि मैंने अभी इतना खा लिया, अभी excessive diet करेंगे लेकिन वापस वो इतना food खाएंगे. So this is bulimia nervosa. This all has psychological and biological causes. So basically a sense of lack of control over eating. There is no control over eating. बहुत खाते in amount.
क्योंकि adult में भी आता है ना.
Yes. Then it turns to, but it starts in childhood.
Any treatment for these problems?
Yes. See, basically this is, as I told you, causes are varying. Okay, they are biological also. We saw the causes so far. Parent modeling is one thing. Then peer pressure is another thing. Then biologically, if they are predisposed, as we saw, 78% are biologically predisposed from genes. Okay, so this is one thing. Then there are some chemical imbalance happening in the brain. This is another thing. Then media is playing role. So you have to see nature is playing role more or nurture is playing. Accordingly, if obviously it is related to your physique, medicines are there for that. So you can go to psychiatrist or psychologist, and obviously this has some kind of a psychological reason behind it. So obviously therapies work for them. As phobia, as we go for phobia. So like this is one kind of a thing where fear is involved or some anxiety is involved. वो क्यों ऐसे कर रहे हैं? Basically they are not accepted. They have low self-esteem. नहीं तो उनको if I am like this और सब लोग मेरे को if I have that confidence कि सब लोग मैं जैसी भी हूँ people will accept me. But why they want to become thin? It's their faulty thinking कि no one will accept me the way I am. और वो लोग ऐसे घर पे accept नहीं हो रहे हैं. There are some loopholes कहाँ पे तो कुछ है. So we have to trigger that. Okay, so counseling is very good for them when they come with this problem. So counseling again very good for them. So as we said, binge eating, inappropriate compensatory behavior. This also lasts for more than 3 months. And now binge eating. Binge eating मतलब 2 घंटे में इतना खा रहे हैं, वापस 2 घंटे बाद वापस भूख लगी और इतना खा रहे हैं, बहुत सारा. Yes, this is binge eating disorder. They don't know, they just crave. Generally किसी को exam के time पे when they are very nervous, they feel that. So this is anxiety which is playing role.
Emotional.
Yes. बहुत स्ट्रेस है, बहुत वो हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहे इतना प्रेशर. देन ऑल्सो इट हैपेंस. वो फिर फूड में निकालते हैं क्योंकि फूड इज अ सब्सटेंस वेयर दे कैन रिमूव ऑल देयर
But
टेंशन.
biologically, is it that time you need that sugar?
Yes.
Okay, that is also one of the reasons.
Yes.
Because of
Yes.
brain
Sometimes
needs.
brain needs sugar, carbohydrates, so they eat more food like salty food or carbo. कभी उनको तभी पिज्जा खाने का मन करता है, कभी they crave for some sweet.
So indirectly body demands.
Yes,
At
and
that time.
then it becomes this thing also कि रात को जागने के लिए they are drinking mugs of coffee. Now it is a trend. इतना कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता if you are drinking more coffee, but now बस मेरे को जागना है. Now वो लोग पढ़ाई से ज़्यादा they will waste time in all this. ये बनाएंगे वो बनाएंगे रेडी करके रखेंगे. So basically binge eating is eating much more rapidly than normal. Second is eating until feeding uncomfortably full. इतने तक आ जाए तब तक खाएंगे. They will not stop. And eating large amount of food when not feeling physically hungry is one of the big thing of binge eating disorder. भूख नहीं है तो भी खा रहे हैं. Okay? So this is also there is marked distress present. कुछ तो उसमें होगा जो एक और एक symptom होगा कि उनमें कुछ तो depression या distress है because of this they are doing this. So this also should continue for 3 months. If we see about statistics, generally female are more anorexic than male. Like 0.5% to 3.7% females suffer from this anorexia in their lifetime, and 1.1 to 4.4% female go through this bulimia nervosa. This anorexia से ज़्यादा bulimia है जो बहुत खाते हैं and then they feel guilty और उसको निकालने के बहाने ढूंढते हैं. Either they use laxatives और puke करते हैं, मुंह में उंगली डाल के उल्टियाँ करते हैं. Okay? 10 to 25% batting anorexia will die because of this. Okay? And up to 19% of college and women in America are bulimic age at onset. See, this is their statistic which is coming, but it is now becoming common in India too. So if we see cause, as I told you, low self-esteem. They are not accepting themselves the way they are. Then poor body image. उनको कुछ तो ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये अच्छा नहीं, my face is not good, my legs are not good, my hands are not good. Then depression. See वो अंदर जो खालीपन रहता है कभी वो फूड में बाहर निकालने की ट्राई करते हैं. So they are either depressed by they are showing or they are depressed from within. Then difficulty expressing feeling. They can't express. So उसकी वजह से वो फूड पे निकालते हैं. Then perfectionism. वो जो पर्सनालिटी ए टाइप रहते हैं स्पेशली दे वांट एवरीथिंग परफेक्ट, दे वांट टू लुक परफेक्ट, दे वांट एवरीथिंग परफेक्ट. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द रीजन. देन स्ट्रेस एंड नीड टू फील स्पेशल एंड यूनिक. दीस आर द कॉमन एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स, साइकोलॉजिकल. So for them, what you think of yourself is much more important than what people think of you. So this they should keep in mind while dealing with this kind of a thing. So to conclude, I will just like to say that as parent, you have a big responsibility of feeding your children. जितना आप early age से from your conception, if you will start this thing in your pregnancy, then in postnatal stage, this is again very important. Even teachers nowadays has to play very important role while teaching good healthy habits. Because nowadays, see, आपको लगता है कि it is showing in behavior, but सिर्फ behavior is उसका वे फूड से भी है. वी आर कनेक्टेड टू फूड. नाउअडेज इनिशियली वी हैड इन आयुर्वेदा वेयर वी आर अवेयर कि ये विरुद्ध आहार है, जैसे गरम के साथ ठंडा नहीं खाना है, ये चीज़ के साथ जैसे नींबू और दूध मिक्स नहीं करना है. नाउअडेज मदर्स आर आल्सो नॉट अवेयर. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट टू मदर्स आल्सो दैट इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर, लर्न समथिंग एंड गिव समथिंग टू योर चिल्ड्रन. सो उनको भी नॉलेज बढ़ाने की जरूरत है. वी कांट ब्लेम चिल्ड्रन एट ऑल. वी हैव टू पॉइंट यस टुवर्ड्स पेरेंट्स ओनली.
Poor parenting.
Yes. We can't blame completely to parents क्योंकि उन्होंने भी नहीं सीखा है.
And finding easy way out.
Yes.
Maybe.
जितना क्विक बना सके, जो रेडीमेड आधा तो अभी संडे या सैटरडे से ट्रेंड हो गया कि बाहर से मंगाना है, वो फिक्स है. No one is making it. और अभी किसी को ऐसे बनाने भी नहीं आ रहा है. That is also another thing. So go to cooking classes or go somewhere, search something, but you have to take initiative to do this. नहीं तो वो बच्चे मतलब वो जो स्टार्टिंग से रहा फिर एडल्टहुड में आएगा and then they will come running कि मेरा बच्चे को ये प्रॉब्लम है. So if you want to prevent it, you have to be awakened. Main point is this.
Very good.
So I'll conclude with this. Thank you so much.